Data keeps growing, and with it comes opportunity. What if you could uncover patterns instantly, predict what comes next, and act on insights across all your data, even text? With Analytic Solver Data Science, you can bring in data from files, databases, and big data sources. Generate synthetic data, visualize patterns instantly, and use feature selection to boost accuracy and speed. With text mining, turn unstructured text into insight, classify, extract meaning, analyze sentiment, and use it in your predictive models. When it comes to time series, forecasting, simulation, and scoring come together to deliver insight at scale, all inside Excel. Analytic Solver Data Science unleashes the full power of classification and prediction inside Excel, from regression and probabilistic models to decision trees, neural networks, and high-performance ensemble methods like boosting and random forests. And with FindBest model, maximizing your predictive performance is effortless. Analytic Solver automatically trains, tunes, compares, and ranks models to select the best one for your data. If you've ever wondered whether a complete end-to-end data science workflow is even possible in Excel, Analytic Solver Data Science makes it real. With a visual pipeline that runs from raw data to final results, built once, executed in one step, and reused with confidence. Ask the AI agent, get instant answers, and start exploring ready-to-run data science workflows.